So today I'm doing a bit of freestyling. So this is just a nice little strategy to show you how to use a combination of indicators. We are simply looking at a range that's formed and a break through the range on the FTSE 100. So it's rallied up about 40 pips above the main pivot point lines. This is a pivot point trading strategy. I'm going to do some more pivot point trading strategies because it's a strategy I really love. And it's a series of tools that are quite accurate. Having said that, this particular strategy is all about running back after some indicator breaks from the main pivot point line itself, either back to the main pivot point line or through the main pivot point line. So we use a series of indicators. We're using MACD on a 9/12/26 reading, and we're going to use an RSI on the closing price on a 14 reading. We have a little congested range, and we're looking to short the FTSE 100 back down to the main pivot point line from where it's been trading. So it's had a little run this morning. That steam's starting to wear off. The RSI is starting to close down towards the, so it shows it is overbought. The probability of it now falling is high. And so it's a slightly contrarian strategy, you'll notice that, but it's a position that should allow us to grab some points within, the space of half an hour to an hour. So we're going to watch how this trade pans out, see if we can't make some money. Half an hour's over. We gave ourselves half an hour for this trade. Profit is 750, 780. So we're going to come along and just take this trade off the table. So let's hit take profit 750. That'll do nicely. Thank you very much. 750 banked in 30 minutes. That's a wrap.